Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is TT, aka LaTanya Kristina. Here's your home for all things life, love, and beauty. And today, I am bringing you the newest palette, as if there haven't been 500 palettes that have come out, but I'm bringing you the Huda Beauty new nude palette. And I'm going to tell you, this palette has been floating around on Instagram. You know, Huda, Shop Huda Beauty on Instagram has been kind of hinting about this for probably a couple months now. And at first impression, you're kind of like, another nude palette. This is so not that. And when I started seeing it, I was kind of like, okay, here's the palette. I mean, it's pretty, right? It's Huda's face on it. This is her insert that's always, you know, in her palettes. And I'm going to tell you, it's a different type of nude. It is not your typical nude. The palette's got a mirror, of course, and the names are down here, you know, underneath the names as well, too. There's some pretty kinky names, too. We got Fantasy, Love Bite, Spanked, Kinky, Infatuated, Tickle, Excite, Raw. And she's got a concealer in here. So it's an 18 pan, well, I'm just going to say a 17 pan palette, because concealed is, it's a concealer that she has in here. And I'm going to say that probably is for some of these glittery shadows. So you have your matte finishes, your matte colors, and then you've got your glitter colors here and here. And these, I mean, these chunkier ones here are going to kind of concern me a little bit, because you just never know how those are going to hold up or if there's going to be fallout. But I'll say, you know, again, a different spin on a nude palette. And curious, definitely curious, you know, to see how it was, you know, everything was going to go on, how everything was going to blend. Because it's different. It's a different nude palette. And I wasn't going to buy a palette. Wasn't going to buy her palette. And I'm like, I looked at it. I'm like, it was calling my name. And it retails for $65. And as I said in my last video, you know, ColourPop and the Brown Sugar collaboration, you know, with the 4 lipsticks, the 2 glosses, the 3 gel colors, and the palette were $65. You know, great price, you know, for all that you get. And this, hopefully this is going to hold up to the quality for the price tag that's attached to it. Because in a minute, I think her palettes are going to be just as expensive as Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. In my opinion, mark my words. So I picked it up. This is the look I created today. I want you guys to stick around and I'll give you first impressions, you know, on this palette. But I will say, looking at this color here, Excite, it looks like something else from one of her other palettes. Maybe her Desert Dusk palette has something similar to that. So we're going to go in, we're going to try this. I'm going to let you know what I think, first impressions, you know, how I got, you know, this look that I have today. But before we get into this nude palette, please don't forget to like, comment, and more importantly, subscribe. Hit the bell so you know when TT's videos have been uploaded. We're going to find out today if this palette is TT approved. Inquiring minds want to know. Stick around and we'll do this look. I'll have my overview, my thoughts, and I want to hear what you guys think if you're going to pick it up as well too. So stay tuned. All right, so we're just going to jump into this very, very pretty palette here. It's very pretty, I'm going to say. So it's got some not your typical nude colors in it, if that makes sense. So majority of my face is done except for the eyes and the lips. And so we're just going to obviously get to the Grand Poobah here, which is the palette here. So let's just kind of go, let's just get this party started. I'm just conveniently wearing this really soft pink today. So it kind of works out. So let's go in with, let's start with, the names are killing me, Kinky, Spanked. They're cute. Let's go with Tickle here, which is kind of like a really soft pink. Is kind of a transition color here, and then we just kind of build it up from there. Let's just see. You know, I'm loving the mirror in this. I primed my eyes with the ColourPop concealer again, because I told you guys that right now I'm just loving that because it's tacky. It helps my shadows stay on. Yeah, this is nice. This is going on nice. Blending very nice. Very nice here. If I'm gonna say myself, let's just see, blending very nice. Very nice, surprisingly. And I tell you, Huda's, you know, palettes, you know, they're definitely, they've got some color, you know, pigment to them, you know, long lasting. Yeah, this is going on nice. Very nice. I'm just gonna do a little extra because I'm going to brunch, and I'm gonna take this well above, or just below my brow line, actually, is what I want to do with this today. This is a pretty palette. I think just the design and presentation of it is really pretty. Okay, yeah, that went on very nice. Very nice. That's soft and that's pretty. All right, let's go in. Let's pick another color to go on. We're going to deepen the crease a little bit here. And let's go with Spanked here, which is kind of a, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a dark pink shade, I'm going to say. Love Bite is pretty right next to it. It's kind of a purple shade. That's pretty too. Actually, I think I'll go with that instead in the crease. Let's just see. Not a lot of fallout, especially on the mattes, you know, which is, you know, always a plus. It's a purple, it looks like, but not a real dark purple, I'm going to say. And I'm going to blend this up just in the crease, take it up a little high, but not covering the first color that I did. Yeah, this is, yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it blends very well. I'm going to add extra. It blends well. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. So we're just gonna go with something easy all over the lid, and I'm thinking, you know, and this is Infatuated. It's sparkly. That's where you start to worry about the fallout is there. And these are just, you know, the glitter shades are just that. They're just glitter. So you might want to, let me just see if this is going to go on. Yeah, it goes on. You know, they're just strictly glitter, you know, which is fine. But yeah, just knowing that that's all you're going to get is that, yeah, you might want to use a base, you know, something to hold it together. I did not, as you can see, not a lot of fallout. I was, you know, looking on my dress to see if there was, you know, anything there, but there isn't. Surprisingly, there isn't. And I probably should have used the base, but it's too late to turn back now. Yeah. It's really pretty. Really pretty. And it's really, it looks like I'm packing on more than what I am, but I'm picking up so much, you know, at the same time too. And that's the other thing. Yeah. It's pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. Yeah. Very pretty. Because, why? Because you can never have enough shimmer or glitter. Never. And I think just gonna leave it at that. I don't really want, because that's more than enough glitter. Yeah, because it's nice and sparkly. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm really surprised that it hasn't really creased. The glitter hasn't really creased, so I'm kind of impressed with that. Right now, I'm kind of impressed with that. So yeah, very nice. So not bad. Let me just finish up with some lashes. I'll finish up with some lashes, and I'll save the lipstick for you because it's a new lipstick from the Karuchi ColourPop collection that we're going to try together. Hopefully it's going to try out. Add some mascara, some blush, and I will be right back. Stick around. Okay, so I added some lashes, some blush, and let's just finish off this look. But I think I'm going to go with a nude lip today because I think my eyes are so dramatic that it just deserves a nude lip. So I'm going to go in with, let's see, this is my KKW Nude lipstick. This is Nude 2. Lip liner, not lipstick. I'm tripping. Going with this. I'm like looking at lipsticks and I'm going, you know what? My eyes are super dramatic, so let's just keep the lipstick simple and maybe add some gloss to it. Kind of blot it there and add some lipstick and we will be done. You see, I'm just really trying to center it in the middle of my lips. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I'm telling you. The KKW lipstick and liner, that's like good stuff right there. Okay, guys, so after all that and struggling trying to get those lashes on, it took me like 500 tries to get one of them on. This is it. This is the finished look of the new Huda Beauty nude palette, and I'm gonna say first impressions is I like it. And you know, I hear a lot of things about Huda, and some are, you know, just chatter, you know, you hear, but I tell you, her makeup can be on point, which is really, you know, she kind of lets that product speak for itself. So I like the new palette. I would definitely, you know, recommend it. It's pretty and not a lot of fallout. The glitter's held up well. First impressions is I'd probably use this several times, and it's a different spin on nude. It's not your traditional brown, tan, your neutral warm tones. It's more definitely, you know, of a light pink. There's some purple in there, kind of nude, but I think it works. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are going to pick it up, you know, you're going to try it out, I would love to see how the look is going to look on you. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm open to suggestions and comments and all that good stuff like that. So I'm loving this look. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it too much, actually. I'm gonna look good at brunch. Don't trip. And you know, I did a little bit of contour, and I didn't do highlight except, you know, a little on on my nose, the bridge of my nose, again, because my eyes are so dramatic. So when your eyes are dramatic or my eyes are dramatic, I tend to kind of have everything a little more toned down because they are so dramatic, and the eyes are just the focal point of the face, and the makeup, everything else is just gravy. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, LaTanya Kristina is out.